Hi, this is Dr. Lori Baudino. Today's acronym is our 5 R's for responsive parenting. I want you to begin with recognition. This is about the nonverbal cues, your sensory system, really thinking about your own individual needs. With our sensory system, we get charged and triggered, but oftentimes we think about it in terms of how we're thinking or what we've experienced in a memory. In this time, I want you to recognize where in your body you feel triggered. Is it a tactile feeling of your child climbing on you and you feel like you just need a break? Are your eyes feeling flustered and overwhelmed by all the mess and clutter around you? Is your head feeling full from all the sounds? Is there a smell in the room from the sports equipment? What part of your body is activated by your interactions with your children in your home environment or community, or maybe even as a teacher provider? When you can identify and recognize where you're being charged, you have an ability to stay with it or to change it. Not just how you're thinking and remembering, but actually embodying it. Next R is rouse. Rouse means to bring energy, bring excitement, and activate. So moving through the feeling state and versus judging it. Rather than sitting in a reaction and thinking, what is wrong with this picture, asking, why is this happening yet again, and feeling overwhelmed by it because it's like so hard, thinking about how predictable this is and continuing to move through. So as you're talking, you're moving, you're still going to cook the meal, you're still going on your walk, you're still going to change the sounds that you're listening to, and you're getting movement into your practice of your reactions. Next R is for replace. Allow time to acknowledge reactions and repair with those around you. So when you have a reaction, you don't need to say sorry for having a feeling, but you can just acknowledge, I noticed my voice got loud and this is what's going to happen next. Bringing attention to what you're due just brings meaning to why it was so important and reaffirms for your children that you understand what just occurred, that you're grounded and regulated in your interaction, and you're making a choice, and that you would like to see some change and growth from that interaction. Next, we have repair. Repair is about setting boundaries and follow through. This is when you can, again, agree to keep what's working and get rid of what's not. If you would like to see me not get roused up and activated, I need some support in cleaning this environment. When this happens, we all can work together. That's an example of how you might repair the interaction. Relate is the last R. Our children can feel the same responses. Helping your children know that you also can have big emotions, that you can have moods, and that you both can connect that way is a beautiful way to show that we're still here for each other, even in our worst state. It's incredible to be able to share that with our children and know that our children are our best fans. They're our biggest advocates, and they really see us as a role model. When they see that we have emotions too, and that we can relate and repair and replace and arouse and recognize, they will feel really connected and supported. And you too will feel a sense of relief.